Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy stocks on Etrade. First, you need to create an account if you do not already have one. To do this, visit the Etrade website and click on the Open an Account button. You will be prompted to enter your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Make sure to have your bank information handy so that you can fund your account after it is opened. Once your account is set up and funded, log in to the Etrade platform. You will find the main interface with various options on the dashboard. Locate the search bar, where you can enter the stock symbol for the company you are interested in. If you are not sure of the symbol, you can look it up using the search function or browse through the available stocks. Now that you have selected a stock, click on it to view more details. You will see information such as the current price, market trends, and historical data. To purchase shares, look for the Trade button, which will allow you to enter the number of shares you wish to buy. Choose whether you want to make a market order, which buys at the current price, or a limit order, which allows you to set a specific price for your purchase. After confirming your order details, submit your transaction. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your order has been executed. Congratulations, you have successfully bought stocks on Etrade. From here, you can monitor your investments and explore further options for managing your portfolio.